In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up abandoned cart email in Mailchimp. We'll walk through creating an automated email that re-engages shoppers who left your site without completing a purchase. Before you begin, make sure your online store or website is properly connected to your Mailchimp account, since the automation relies on your site data to know who browsed and what they viewed. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. From your dashboard, head to the automation section. This is where Mailchimp keeps customer journeys, pre-built flows that react to what people do on your site or in your emails. Choosing a template is the fastest way to set up a reliable, best practice sequence without starting from scratch. Next, choose a flow template. You'll see a library of options. For this setup, select Recover Browse Abandons with Email. This template is designed to reach visitors who looked at products but didn't check out, which is a close cousin to a classic abandoned cart reminder and a great way to win back high-intent shoppers. Click Use this flow to load it into the builder. In the Journey Builder, you'll set the trigger so Mailchimp knows when to start the automation. Click Choose Browse Options. In the Store or Website dropdown, pick the connected store or site you want to use. If you have more than one, be sure to pick the property that holds your product catalog and purchase data. Now open the Customer Browsed dropdown and choose any product. This broad trigger ensures the journey fires when someone views any product on your site, so you capture the most opportunities. If you plan to get more granular later, you could refine this to specific categories or price ranges, but any product is a strong default to get you moving. Click Save Trigger to lock in your settings. With the trigger saved, it's time to craft the message. Click Create an Email. This opens the email step where you'll define what subscribers see when the automation runs. Start by clicking Subject and add your subject line. Keep it clear, helpful, and personal if you can. Examples that often perform well include gentle reminders and value-forward phrasing like "Still thinking it over?" "Your picks are waiting?" or "A quick nudge, see what you viewed." Aim for 35 to 55 characters to show well on mobile, and make sure the tone matches your brand voice. If your plan supports it, personalization tokens can insert a first name to lift open rates. After setting the subject, use the email designer to add a concise message, a prominent call to action button back to your site, and, if available, dynamic product content that reflects what the visitor browsed. Keep images lightweight and your layout scannable so it loads fast and is easy to act on. If you want to go further, you can add a few more steps to the journey. Consider a short delay before the first email so it arrives at a natural time, a filter to exclude recent purchasers, or a second follow-up email with a different angle for those who didn't engage the first time. Even small tweaks like these can significantly improve results, but start simple and build as you learn. When everything looks good, click Continue and publish the journey. Before you go live, double-check the sending details, from name and email, your subject and preview, and that the correct store is selected in the trigger. Review compliance items like your physical address in the footer and unsubscribe link to stay within email regulations. Once published, the automation will run on its own whenever someone meets the trigger conditions. After launch, keep an eye on key metrics such as open rate, click-through, and conversions right from the journey's reporting. Small improvements, testing a clearer subject, adjusting timing, or refining your content can compound into meaningful revenue gains over time. That's it. You've set up a browse abandon recovery flow in Mailchimp that functions like an abandoned cart reminder and helps bring shoppers back to buy.